गुरुजी की प्यारी संगत को नमस्कार, प्रणाम। हमारी जर्नी जो गुरुजी के साथ शुरू हुई, that is now over 21 years back that we started. We were fortunate enough to get blessed and come in the Sharan of Guru, our Pyare Guruji. In fact, it was 1999 to be precise, when I was going through a very difficult phase of my life. I had virtually lost my voice. I was in the process of consulting a lot of ENT specialists, and all of them had recommended surgery is the ultimate answer. Apparently, there was a growth on my vocal cord, which prevented my voice and had all kind of hurdles which were coming in. But till that time, we were not lucky enough to get into the Sharan of Guruji. Since all the ENT specialists had recommended surgery, so I went under the knife, and the surgery took place at Sir Gangaram Hospital, New Delhi. Thereafter, it was something which started in such a way that we didn't know how things were automatically falling in place. But when it started with a big challenge that after, as a process, after every surgery, or whatever comes out of that piece, it is sent for histopathology finding. So that happened, and when the report came, it was confirmed positive, that is malignant. And that is something which was not easy to handle, because I had two young daughters, my wife, my dependent parents. The future, I didn't know what. It was complete darkness in front of me. However, जैसे कहते हैं ना, गुरुजी का मैसेज आया, और my friend took me to Guruji. I was on complete voice rest for 3 weeks. So they were talking to my wife, and they said, don't worry, we will take you to our Guruji, and he will be fine. So it happened. One fine day, they said, okay, you come over. But that day was a pariksha day, I would call it, when we were planning to, when we decided to go to Guruji. Why I say pariksha? Because when we started, it happened in such a manner that it was thunderstorm, it was lightning, it was rain, like anybody's business. Everything happened. And since I was on voice rest, I was driving myself, and I used to write on the writing pad and communicate what I wanted to say. My parents, and we were staying in joint family, my parents and everybody said, listen, we are not stopping you to go where you want to go, but avoid going today. Go on a day when the weather is fine. But it was like inner voice which was saying, no, today is the D-Day, I will go. So we started. As we left, it was very difficult to drive because it was very strong winds and rain and whatnot. But as we were halfway down, Guruji's first miracle was visible. Complete change in weather. Complete. And that was such that we found that there was no rain at all. It was a clear weather. We kept moving. Eventually, we reached Chote Mandir, Empire Estate. And we were escorted in by a friend. As we mathated, actually, my wife was simply crying, and she just couldn't say anything. Nor there was any need, in fact, to say anything. When you go to Guruji, you don't have to say anything. So what happened that as I matha tekod and I got up, Guruji looked at me and told my wife, "Ja tere aadmi nu 50% theek karta." No, it was not a joke. A person who had a surgery a week back, declared malignant, how can he get cured by just making one statement? We were totally ignorant about it. We didn't know who Guruji, is and what kind of blessings he gives. And नाल ही उन्होंने ऐड करता जा तेरे आदमी नु 50% ठीक करता अपने टेस्ट दोबारा कराओ. And then he said पीछे जाके बैठ जाओ. असी बैठ गए. And I was told not to have any hot beverage, not to have any food. It should be just any cooked food. It should be just boiled food, no chili whatsoever. But Guruji made me eat, drink whatever doctors had said no to. So it was happening, and then we decided, okay, as we took permission after having Langar Prasad, he said, then we just decided, we moved out and we said, okay, we'll go back to the Gangaram Hospital, request for the slides, which generally the process is hospitals, they don't share the balance slides. But you will be surprised when a simple application was given for the request for the balance slides, they instantly handed over the 4 slides which they had with them. And what we decided, we said, just to have 2 distinct opinions, we sent 2 to AIIMS, Delhi, that is All India Institute of Medical Science, and 2 to Tata Institute in Mumbai, so that we are very clear of the views. 1 week passed by, and the result came. Until that time, we were trying to be very intelligent that we will not go to Guruji. After all, we have to tell him what the results are, as if he would not know. So then we waited for the results to come. After 1 week, very proudly kept taking all the reports with us. We said, okay, today we will go and share that this is what the report is. And Guruji's Mahima, as we were actually on the 3rd step down, at the Empire State, and as we turned right, there was a typical smile on Guruji's face, And as I matha tekod, he said, "Kyun? Doctors confused ho gaye?" And we both were started looking at each other that who informed him? That was precisely the case. Both AIIMS and Tata Institute Mumbai reports said, nothing doing, you're fine, everything is fine, negative. And here, there was one report. Then he said, "Jao, tusi jo karna hai karo, tenu kuch nahi hoega." And I was very clear that I will go for any kind of treatment only and only if Guruji advises or asks me to do so. Otherwise, I'm not going anywhere. Because I was very, very paranoid about the fact that, I was declared malignant. And especially, for a person who doesn't drink, who doesn't smoke, who doesn't chew any kind of tobacco, this thing happening. So my wife asked, he said, and my wife is a teacher by profession. She said, "Masterani tu kintu prantu na kar, jo any treatment karna kar lo, and kuch nahi hoega." So that happened. We used to go regularly for our therapy, and that treatment was complete. And trust me, Sangatji, I used to drive myself, go every single day. There was no after effect. Get the treatment done. I used to started going to office because Guruji said, "Tenu hoya ki hai, tu apne office ja." So I used to go to office, and so much so, there was no after effect of that treatment. There was no nausea. There was no, appetite loss. There was nothing of any kind whatsoever. And no food restrictions, of course, that Guruji never, let it happen right from day one. So, Sankat ji, कौन कर सकता है? ये सिर्फ गुरुजी ही कर सकते हैं. He gave me second life. All he told, bless that thing and asked me to wear a Om, and he said what to do with that vessel is fill it up in the night. When you get up first thing in the morning, drink half of it, the other half put it in the bucket and take bath. That's it. That is the only upai which Guruji had given me to do. That's it, and nothing else. Nothing else. So Sangaji, this journey, when it started me, life, I didn't know how to thank Guruji. I said, Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, it is only and only because of you that I am able to speak, and each one of you today is able to hear me. It's all because of Guruji's blessings and no one else's. The journey has been long enough, 21 years, and there has been empty number of, satsangs which I can share. But I will try to be as restricted as possible. Why? Because of a single reason. While Alkanki told me that you got 1 hour plus, I said, well, Guruji ka आदेश तो मेरे को हमेशा है, चल Paul uncle खड़ा हो जा, सत्संग सुना, but short with सुनाई. So keeping that thing in mind, I will try and share select few satsangs, and thereafter I'll ask and request my wife to share some other ones. Well, very frankly, after this, my children were growing, daughter was growing. One I would like to share is something when my elder daughter got into class 10th and board exam was there. So she had to appear an exam, and she said, "Pehle matha take ke," and like a typical student, she took her roll number, pencil box and all, and said, "Main to bless kara ke, then I will appear in exam." I said, "Okay." So we went to Empire State and we found Guruji is away to Punjab. I said, "Beta, ghar mein mandir hai, aap wahan matha teko, or Guruji's blessings are there." She said, "No, I'll appear in exam only after he blesses me." So that was, and to say anything to your child at a time near the exam was something not advisable. So we booked our tickets and both of us went to Jalandhar. Now when we went to Jalandhar and reached there, and from station when we reached Defence Colony Mandir, we learned from Sudama there that he's the caretaker, just for those who don't know. He said, "Uncle, tusi aiste kaise?" मैं कहा, "जी मत्था टेक है." "गुरुजी तो चंडीगढ़ गए हैं." "Now what do you do?" I said, "बेटा, चलो अब घर का मंदिर में हो गया, आप यहाँ पे माथा टेक लो, and we will go back so that your studies don't get affected." But she was, extra careful. She was carrying her bag full of books, and she said, "No, we will stay on, and Guruji will come back and bless." But inni bechani, we checked in a nearby hotel, and then I came. मेरे को चैन ही नहीं, मैंने कहा यार बच्चे का exam, now what do I do? So I was going up and down on that same road, outside Mandir, in towards the evening, and just praying, "Guruji, please darshan de do, बच्चे का exam है, और वो भी board exam है, so please bless her." And suddenly I find a car, reaching Mandir, and I find Guruji coming out of that car. I immediately went running there and touched his feet, and I said, "Guruji, Shukrana, aap aa gaye? Then tu ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨ ਆਇਆ?" मैं कहा, "जी हिमानी the board exam है, उन्हें कैसे?" "ओ यार bless करता, तुझी कादे ली तकलीफ, मैनू छड़ दे नहीं, ਇੱਥੇ भी नहीं छड़ते." मैं कहा, "Guruji please." अच्छा जा ले आया. So I went running. That was hotel was close by. So we came and she got blessed. And they said, okay, unja, tera. Because she was actually scared of one particular subject which she had in mind was social studies. She was not very sure about that particular subject. गुरुजी ने साफ किया कि जा ब्लेस करता तेरे बहुत चंगे पेपर होंगे चंगे नंबर आएंगे घबरा नहीं जा. So we came back, and when we came back, you'll be surprised. And there was another auntie from Delhi. They said, "Acha, तुसी दोनों लोग इकट्ठे चले जाओ." I had not bought any return ticket, so we went to the station. There were just two, total of 4 seats which were available, and we booked in the AC coach, and we came back. That was also something which was not expected. Ki we will get ticket at the last minute. So we reached home. She appears in exam. To cut a long story short, when the result came, she scored highest in social studies. It was possible only with Guruji's blessings. Thereafter, she did her graduation from Delhi and had to do post-graduation MBA. And we were just looking around from one college to another, and which is the best college. And she had to appear in various exams. So, and then we were planning to go to either Bangalore or Kolkata, wherever there was a call which was coming after her exams. एक दिन मैं कहा गुरुजी से पूछ के then we will start traveling to all these places. मैं कहा गुरुजी MBA करनी है बच्चे ने और एग्जाम ले कल फिर ब्लेसिंग दे दो बैंगलोर जा रहे हैं क्या कहते क्यों ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਭੇਜਣਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਪੜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਪੜਾਵਾਂਗੇ मैं कहा गुरुजी वो एग्जाम कहते टिकट कहते नहीं जाना गुरुजी आदेश immediately followed. We cancelled the tickets and we said, okay, fine. We started looking around in Delhi, and little we knew, within a week, there was a call from a leading business school. They said, yes, one seat is available, you come. So that's how Guruji blesses at every step of your life. We keep wondering, how will it happen? We keep, worrying so much. But with Guruji around, and with your total surrender, no kintu prantu, no ifs and buts. It was just that he blesses and takes care of your every single hurdle which comes into it. Now, the other one which is coming to my mind is regarding my father, who was unwell for quite some time. And he was not keeping too well. And towards the flag end, he was bedridden. But I used to make my business to go to the Chote Mandir every single, because those were the days, I would say, lucky days, when Guruji used to give his darshan all the 7 days of the week. So I used to go every single day in the evening, and ki Guruji, Father Sahib nu theek karo, and just pray. I never used to talk to him. I used to just pray for his long life and good health. Till the time a situation came when he was very, very unwell. I thought today I will go and talk to him and request and pray if he could take care of him. So I decided to go a little early. That was a time when Guruji used to sit just outside his room. There was a board on which he used to sit and sangat, whatever little sangat was there, we used to sit down there. So I went up to him, Matha Tekud. I said, Guruji, मेरे father की तबीयत बहुत खराब है, तुसी bless करो. कहते चले आ, उन्हें जान दे, वो बहुत पेन विच है. तू हर वक्त आना है, बख्शांदा है, उन्होंने बख्शा के चले जाना है. उन्होंने जान दे. अच्छा जी. I very frankly, मैं कहा ठीक है गुरुजी, because I know if Guruji is saying that, there has to be something right. So we both come back. on that day. And late in the night, my father moves on. And we knew that he was in pain. He even had bed sores. All those things were happening. He was not in the right shape. But it was all that he only blessed my father. I still take it that, yeah, he blessed it, and he ensured that the soul rests in peace. And no agony, no pain, nothing of that sort is there. Then one more satsang which comes to my mind. Actually, there are many satsang and I have not made of any note as such. I said, whatever Guruji will, say, I will share. Now this is, I'm now just 2 years back, little over 2 years back. I had a meeting in Meridian Hotel, Delhi, and was getting late. So I, along with my younger daughter who has joined me, and my colleague. So we reached Meridian Hotel. I asked them to proceed while I collect the valet card and then join them, because apparently the editor and the client was already waiting in the coffee shop. Now you won't believe, there was some inordinate delay for the valet slip to be given to me. And I was just saying, I said, "Meko jaldi do bhai, meko andar jana hai." That guy was busy with some other, person. Now, what happens? After good 5 to 10 minutes, I get my valet slip. And as I take it and I turn towards the entrance of the hotel steps, I find a car zipping by, passing me and banging straight into my car. And it was Corolla Altis, Toyota Corolla Altis, which is pretty big sedan, and not one of those Maruti 800 which would have flown away with that, impact. Because the car which zipped past was custom-made Lamborghini. The valet who was given the ticket to get the car didn't realize that it was not a regular car. He never had to press the accelerator. He pressed it and it just zipped. It hit my car, it turned 360 degree, and after that, it went and hit the boundary wall of the post. I just didn't know. First thing which came to mind was, thank you, Guruji. I got my valet slip and I was this side of the car. Had it been even 1 minute earlier, it would have dragged me and I wouldn't have been around. I would have got dragged along with that car. Now, just see how Guruji blesses, gives you, and saves you from such adverse situation. The hotel management was out. The general manager I knew, and he said, "Mr. Paul, you please relax, go inside, sit in my room." I said, "No, I can't. I have a meeting. My client is, and everybody's waiting." He says, "You don't go. You don't stand here. You go inside." I said, "No, but listen, my car is completely damaged. Everything. It was smashed very badly." He said, "Don't worry." Now, see what happens. When you have Guruji's blessings, you don't have to worry. The Lamborghini owner was cribbing that my, such a costly car is smashed completely and out of repair. And here I'm being told and consoled, go inside, nothing is to worry. The hotel management decided that, "Mr. Paul, your car will be repaired by the hotel. Your insurance will not be touched. And till the time you don't, your car is repaired, hotel will provide you with a chauffeur-driven car and take care of your all the concerns, travel requirements." Now imagine all this happening. Who can do it? Only Guruji. Lamborghini guy even sued the hotel, but they never gave him a single penny. And in a blessed case of Guruji, that is me, the hotel management was so considerate that they said, you don't have to worry, everything is on the house. So like this, whenever there are circumstances or situations which we think are beyond our apprehension, beyond our control, Guruji is always there to take care of that. Actually, many more satsangs are coming to my mind, but now I'll request my wife to take it over from here. And thank you, Pyari Sangat Ji. All I would like to say, have faith, totally surrender, and there is no looking back at all. All your problems are not the problems. जो भी पहाड़ कहते हैं ना राई बनाते हैं गुरु जी, वो कहते हैं अपने कर्म तो इत्थे कटो ना, तुसी दूजे जन्म विच क्यों लेके जा रहे हो, मैं थोड़े कर्म कटाना आया इत्थे। सो संगत जी, मेरी यही गुरु जी से प्रार्थना है, प्रेयर है कि गुरु जी अपनी प्यारी संगत को हमेशा ब्लेस करो। तभी वो हमेशा लिखते आए, blessings always, because we all need blessings every single time. It is not just one blessing and be done with, right? So now Namaskar. Yeah.
Thank you, Uncle.
जय गुरु जी। प्यारी संगत जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत गुरु जी के दरबार में। अगर आज जीवन है
मेरी प्यारी संगत जी, my wife is very emotional when it comes to Guruji. Trust me. Anything you ask her to share, and she first has to go through this. So please bear with us. I am.
Typical husband, huh?
Yeah. And all I can say is please have a sip of water.
Thank you. As you have heard my husband, uncle की सत्संग बहुत लोगों ने बहुत बार सुना होगा। बहुत छोटी थी मैं उस समय, और दो छोटी लड़कियां, और जीवन कहाँ जाएगा, कौन सी डायरेक्शन में जाएगा, we were not even aware of it. If today we are leading a happy life, is all because of we were in his sharan.
We are still in his sharan.
Yeah, of course. As uncle has told you, every day is a satsang for us. Everything in life has happened because of Guruji. There was nothing coincidence. Guruji used to say, coincidence word does not exist. Everything is according to my planning. I plan everything beforehand. And people think it was a coincidence. So much so when we used to go to Bade Mandir before this COVID-19 times, you know, the time to reach at Bade Mandir was pre-decided by Guruji. If suppose we left home at 5:30 in the evening, thinking that by 6:37 we'll be there, and Guruji has decided not to let us pray before 7:38, we'll get all the red lights, traffic jams. And if suppose Guruji wants us to come in a jiffy, हम 1 घंटे में बड़े मंदिर पहुंच जाते थे. So everything is decided by him. You know, we think कि हमने ऐसा सोचा, हमने ऐसा किया. It was my planning. I planned like this. And you know, as human beings, we all are proud of our intelligence. जिसका वहां पे कोई जगह ही नहीं है। सत्संग तो अंकल ने बताया, there are n number of satsangs in 21 years. As I told you, our life is because of him. My daughter's marriage, my son-in-laws, my grandson, myself. I would like to share one satsang. It was many years. You know, my friends were planning to go to Amarnath. And I was also very keen. My husband was fine at that time. So he said, मैं बच्चों के पास रहूंगा and you go with them. I said, okay, today we'll go in the evening and I'll ask Guruji कि गुरुजी मुझे अमरनाथ पे जाना है, because गुरुजी की आज्ञा के बिना we never used to do anything. So much so, you know, when we bought this house, only 3 of us knew, my uncle, myself and his mama ji, who was an architect. तो उनको उस prospect से बताया था. And we came and you know we had one Guruji का स्वरूप. I'm sorry, detour हो गया थोड़ा सा. We came here for the first time in this house and we just get Guruji's swaroop in a small window. And in the evening we went and we said, Guruji, हमने ये वाला घर देखा है, हमें अच्छा लग रहा है, Guruji आप बताओ ले लें. You know what was his reaction? गुरु ने तो तुसी पहले ही उत्थे बिठाया हो, हुन मेरे कोलों की पुछना है. That was our Guruji. Anyhow, I asked him, Guruji, अमरनाथ मेरे सब दोस्त जा रहे हैं और मैं भी चली जाऊं, मेरा बड़ा मन है जाने का. तो की करना है अमरनाथ जाके? गुरुजी दर्शन करूंगी, वहां शिवलिंग बनता है ना. As if Guruji doesn't know, Mahashiv doesn't know what happens there. गुरुजी वहां दर्शन करने जाऊंगी, मेरा बड़ा मन है. तो की करना है उत्थे इतनी दूर जाके? जा मैं तेनू इत्थे ही शिवलिंग दे दर्शन करा देना वा. जा बाहर उत्ते जाके देख, शिवलिंग दे दर्शन तेनू इत्थे ही हो जाएंगे. There is शिवलिंग on the top. And I think we 5-6 of us were there at Bade Mandir at that time. And you know, we all went out running कि गुरुजी क्या दिखा रहे हैं, अमरनाथ वाला शिवलिंग यहाँ दिखा रहे हैं. And the moment we reached outside, पीछे वाले आंगन में, and looked up, जितना पोर्शन हमारी आंख के आगे था, all white like snow, you know, जैसे वहां पे शिवलिंग बनता है. This is Guruji's miracle. और हम सब हाथ जोड़ रहे, मत्थे टेक रहे, वाह गुरुजी, वाह गुरुजी. Then we came inside and गुरुजी कहते, हो गए दर्शन? हाँ जी गुरुजी, ये तो आपने हमें यही शिवलिंग के दर्शन करा दिए. अच्छा जा फिर तू रहा. Even then he never stopped me because I said मेरा मन है घूमने का. He said जा फिर तू रहा. And imagine ये excursion जैसा मेरा ट्रिप हो गया, यात्रा जैसा ट्रिप नहीं हुआ, because गुरुजी ने मुझे तो वहीं अमरनाथ के दर्शन करा दिए थे. और वहां जाके मुझे शिवलिंग, इतने बड़े शिवलिंग के दर्शन नहीं हुए, छोटे शिवलिंग, right around 3 feet, इतने शिवलिंग के दर्शन हुए. गुरुजी ने इतने बड़े शिवलिंग के दर्शन मुझे करा दिए. So this was, you know, this is our Guruji's charisma. प्यारी संगत जी, एक सत्संग सुनाती हूँ 2009 का. मेरे ना स्टमक एक रहता था, say for around a year or so. हल्का हल्का पेट में दर्द होता था बैठते समय. खड़े होते समय ठीक थी, नहीं होता था. बैठती थी तो होता था, और या कुछ खाती थी तो होता था. तो Guruji's कृपा, my elder son-in-law is radiologist. एक दिन मैं उससे मिली तो उसने कहा, आओ मम्मा आज आपका ना मैं अल्ट्रासाउंड करता हूँ, देखता हूँ आपके पेट में दर्द क्यों है. I said fine. थोड़ी शर्म भी आ रही थी, अभी शादी भी नहीं हुई थी मेरी बेटी की, लेकिन चलो. It was, you know, there was a cyst in my belly hanging. It was around 12 inches bada cyst, full of water. And as I was asking him, ये कौन सा organ है, ये कौन सा organ है, ये कौन सा organ है, I said, what is this black organ? It's such a big organ. He said, "Mama, yeah, it is nothing, Mama. आपको नहीं, छोड़ो Mama, आपने क्या करना है जान के, nothing." He never told me at that point of time what organ is that, because it was a black thing, this much big, 12 inches, and quite, broad. That was pressing my organs. Next day we went to the hospital, and then he told me कि ये तो एक difficult problem है, अगर ये burst हो गया तो it will be difficult to control everything. My daughter's marriage, elder daughter's marriage, was in the month of February, and this thing happened in November last. So I was not very keen कि इस समय surgery कराई जाए. I never wanted to take any risk, and there are 1001 work शादी के. I was avoiding it. Then we went to the Guruji in the evening, and uncle told him कि Guruji इस तरह ते पेट विच ना एक गुब्बारा निकलिया, पानी दा भरिया होया, और डॉक्टर इनको सर्जरी वास्ते कह रहे हैं और मंदी नहीं पे. गुरुजी ऐसे जैसे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, करा लो सर्जरी. It was Thursday, and he said शुक्रवार, मतलब next day afternoon. अब मैं तो घबराई, गुरुजी ऐसे बोले जैसे कोई बात ही नहीं है. अगर 1% में जल्दी से रिकवर नहीं कर पाई कुछ, अरे घबराने की गल, मैं कह रहा हूं ना करा ले. अच्छा ठीक है गुरुजी, वही बात हुई. फ्राइडे हम एडमिट हो गए, सर्जरी हुई, एंड वी ऑल्सो नेवर टुक इट दैट सीरियसली कि कोई बहुत बड़ी बात है. But after the surgery, I came to know, doctor has told us that it was a very difficult laparoscopic surgery. And 6 doctors were standing to observe now how it will be done. And later on, this surgery became a journal in the history of laparoscopy.
Yeah,
case study, yeah. So this is our Guruji's kripa, his anukampa, his grace on us. Come what may the difficult situation is, he is always there. एक उंगली पकड़ेंगे और हमें पार उतार देंगे. पता भी नहीं चलने देंगे कि हम किस तकलीफ से गुजर रहे हैं. उस तकलीफ का एहसास भी नहीं होने देंगे. अंकल has told you कि गुरुजी कहते थे कि मैं पहाड़ दी राई बना दांगा, अपने कर्मां नूं बख्शवाओ, कटवाओ, इन्हां दा बोझ नाल लेके ना जाओ अगले जन्म विच. And this is what our experiences are. गुरुजी ने हमारे एक एक कर्म को इतनी आसानी से पार लगवा दिया कि हमें खुद ये एहसास नहीं हुआ. अंकल का केस ले लो, मेरी सर्जरी ले लो. एक और सत्संग सुनाती हूँ. मेरा 2.5 years before मेरी बैक में पेन रहनी शुरू हो गई. तो मुझे एक तो हर समय ये लगता है कि शायद गुरुजी फिजिकल फॉर्म में नहीं है, इसलिए अब मैं किसको बोलूं. तो मैं बार बार मंदिर में जाके खड़ी हो जाती हूँ और उन्हीं के आगे रोने लग जाती हूँ. गुरुजी यूज्ड टू हेट कि रोना नहीं है. खैर जो भी है, अब कमर में दर्द बहुत ज्यादा हुआ तो MRI करा लो. MRI करवाई तो संगत जी आप मानोगे नहीं, मेरी बैकबोन इज बैडली डैमेज्ड. 5 जगह से प्रोट्रूडेड है मेरी डिस्क, और 2 जगह से सर्वाइकल वाली जगह पे, यहाँ पे. When we went to the doctor to show, he was surprised. Mrs. Paul, आप चल कैसे रहे हो? You should be in the bed. I can't believe you're working, you're doing household work, you're moving around. आप मुझे straight चल के दिखाओ. I'm sure you can't walk even straight. अब मैंने वहां पे फिर तंग आके बोल दिया, मैंने कहा you don't know who my guru is. It is all because of him. नहीं आपको तो सर्जरी करानी ही पड़ेगी बैकबोन की. जल्दी से जल्दी आप अपॉइंटमेंट लो. मेरी अपॉइंटमेंट 6 महीने बाद है, बट आई गिव यू आफ्टर 5-7 days, 10 days, something like that, and आप एडमिट हो जाओ. I came home very depressed. गुरुजी ये क्या हो गया, आपने मुझे ऐसे इतना बीमार कर दिया कि मेरे को बैकबोन की सर्जरी, सब लोग मना करते हैं बैकबोन की सर्जरी नहीं करानी है. खैर संजय जी, एक दिन मैं सुबह ध्यान में बैठी हुई थी, गुरुजी का नाम ले रही थी, मुझे गुरुजी ने क्या विजन दी कि मैं छोटे मंदिर में बैठी हूँ, गुरुजी बैठे हुए हैं, आसपास आंटियां अंकल बैठे हुए हैं। सडनली गुरुजी सेज, इधर आ, इधर लेट जा। अपनी, अगर छोटा मंदिर आपने देखा है तो एम्बेरस में जो चेयर है उसके आगे पैसेज होता था ना, जहाँ हम लोग माथा टेकते थे, उस जगह पे। अब मैं थोड़ा सा शर्म फील कर रही हूँ कि गुरुजी कह रहे लेट जा सबके बीच में, इधर सीधी लेट जा। लेट गई। अब गुरुजी अंकल को बोल रहे हैं मेरी शर्ट ऊपर करो। अब मैं हेजिटेंट हो रही हूँ ध्यान में कि गुरुजी क्या बोल रहे, इतने लोग बैठे हुए हैं। गुरुजी बोल रहे मेरी शर्ट ऊपर करो। गुरुजी ने मेरी बैग से मेरी शर्ट ऊपर करवाई। 5 पान के पत्ते, कैसे, जैसे हर पत्ते के पीछे का जो छोटा सा डंठल होता वो एक दूसरे से जुड़ा हुआ, ऐसे गुरुजी ने मेरी बैकबोन पे रखा और अंकल को कहा जा ठीक हो गई है, एनु पत्तियानो 5 किलो काले चने के साथ पानी में बहा दे। ये सब मैं अपने अंदर देख रही हूँ, nobody knows about it। सुबह मैंने अंकल को बताया, जैसे ही दिन हुआ तो मैंने अंकल से बात की कि आज तो मुझे ऐसे गुरुजी ने ठीक कर दिया, चल अब मैं ना सर्जरी नहीं कराऊंगी, आई एम वेरी क्लियर अबाउट इट। गुरुजी ने मुझे अब ठीक कर दिया। आप देखो मेरे को दर्द भी नहीं हो रही, साइकोलॉजिकल भी थोड़ा दर्द भी नहीं हो रही, अब तो मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। नेक्स्ट डे इवनिंग में हम लोग एक पार्टी में गए, गुरुजी की बहुत संगत आई हुई थी वहां से। एक आंटी दूसरी आंटी से क्या बात कर रही है, पता है रात को ना मुझे बड़ा अजीब सपना है, गुरुजी ने मुझे बोला कि एक आंटी ना कमर दर्द नाल बड़ी परेशान है ते मैं वो आंटी नु ठीक कर दिता है, ते तू आंटी नु जाके ना एक गल जरूर सुना दी कि मैं तेनू दस दिता है वो आंटी हुण ठीक हो गई है। एंड इमेजिन, गूज़बम्स आ रहे इतने साल बाद भी, इमेजिन कि मैं, मतलब आई एम द थर्ड पर्सन देयर सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू द सोफा जस्ट लिसनिंग द कन्वर्सेशन। एंड व्हेन शी सेड अब मैं वो आंटी को कैसे ढूंढूं, कौन सी आंटी को गुरुजी ने ठीक किया है, कोई नाम वाम तो उन्होंने बताया नहीं है, सिर्फ यही बोला एक आंटी दी कमर बड़ी दर्द है मैंने ठीक कर देता। तो इमीडिएटली यू नो आई टर्न्ड एंड आई सेड आंटी वो मैं हूं, yesterday only Guruji has cured me from my problem, and yesterday only you got this dream कि गुरुजी आपको बोल रहे हैं एक आंटी को मैंने ठीक कर दिया, वो आंटी मैं हूं जिसको गुरुजी ने ठीक किया। Imagine, now can you think it is a coincidence? I don't know that lady. Even today I don't know, I just know her by face. And I was sitting with them, they too were conversation, they too had this conversation कि गुरुजी ने ड्रीम में बताया एक आंटी नु मैं ठीक कर देता, and I said वो आंटी मैं हूं। So गुरुजी अपनी कृपा ऐसे ही बनाए रखें, इससे ज्यादा कुछ और हम मांग नहीं सकते उनसे। हर रोज सुबह शाम दोपहर सांस सांस में सिर्फ एक ही बात कहते हैं, गुरुजी अपने चरना नाल जोड़े रखना, तुसी कदी हाथ ना छड़ना। एक भजन चलता है ना, सतगुरु मैं तेरी पतंग कट गई ते गुरुजी फिर मैं कट्टी जावांगी, लुट्टी जावांगी, ये हमारा हाल है। तो गुरुजी से एक ही प्रार्थना है, हम अनजान है गुरुजी, हम नहीं जानते क्या ठीक है क्या नहीं है, छोटे बच्चों की तरह जिद भी करते हैं, अपनी बात नहीं मानने पे कुछ देर के लिए नाराज भी हो जाते हैं, लेकिन आप अपना हाथ मत छोड़ना, आप हमारा हाथ पकड़ना। हम तो मूर्ख हैं, पता नहीं कब हमसे हाथ छूट जाए, आप हमारा हाथ मत छोड़ना, पकड़ के रखना गुरुजी। यही एक प्रार्थना दिन रात एक एक सांस में चलती रहती है। संग जी सत्संग बहुत सारे हैं, अंकुर का मेरे छोटे सन इन लॉ का सत्संग अंकल कह रहे हैं सुनाने के लिए. My younger daughter got married in 2016. Okay, Jan 2016. And Diwali was in the month of October. As all the kids, attend Diwali parties, card parties. They were also very busy in those days. और शादी भी अभी थोड़े ही दिन हुए थे. तो it was on 16th of October, night of 16th of October. They came home from a party around 3:30 in the morning and slept. तो सोते सोते थोड़ा टाइम हो जाता है, नींद का टाइम निकल रहा है. I don't know how. I shouldn't say I don't know how. It was all because of Guruji's kripa. My daughter got up at 4:35, and she just looked at the watch and said, "Abhi to soye hain, washroom jana hai." She got up and went to the washroom. As she came out, she saw her husband is not well. वो अपना हाथ बार बार ऊपर करके जोर जोर से हिला रहा है. तो उसने लाइट ऑन करी देखने के लिए क्या हो रहा है. उसको लगा नींद में कर रहा है, बट नो, उनको कन्वर्जन अटैक आ रहा था उस समय. वो बेड से ऊपर, he was jumping from the bed, and his eyes were turned. उनके फादर-इन-लॉ डॉक्टर है मेरी डॉटर के. She got scared. एक उसने जोर से फेस पे पैट किया कि what happened? What are you doing? Just look at me. What happened? Have water. But he was not in his senses. Then she shouted for in-laws. Father-in-law came. He also got scared. They took him to the hospital at 6. Being a doctor, everything was arranged in a jiffy. And they took him to Max Hospital. MRI हुआ. संगत जी, क्योंकि मैंने अभी बताया elder son-in-law doctor है. He said, "Mama, anything could have done."
Could have happened. Basically.
Could have happened basically at that time. Even paralysis, even brain stopped working, anything. Eyes. See Guruji's meher. There was one worm in his brain at the back, and that also calcified. Calcified means when the worm is dead and it makes its place and settles there forever. Had it been a moving worm, तो जहां जहां वो worm travel करता, वहां body parts affected होते. He did MRI himself and CT scan, and he came to know कि एक calcified worm है at the back of the brain में. And naturally her in-laws were crying. I was also crying. But time and again we were saying, "Shukrana Guruji, thank you Guruji, thank you Guruji." And people around were very astonished to see कि रो रहे हैं और thank you बोल रहे हैं, thank you बोल रहे हैं, thank you क्यों बोल रहे हैं, रो रहे हैं तो thank you क्यों बोल रहे हैं. But they never knew what we are going through. Thank you because Guruji has saved his life. इतना सा एक कष्ट दिया और इसके अलावा और कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, सिर्फ एक कन्वर्जन अटैक. और संगत जी, मजे की बात क्या है कि उस दिन से 7 days after, it was decided 1 month before that on say 16th था ना, 23rd or so, 23rd October or so, it was decided that we'll go to Bade Mandir for Bhog Prasad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bade Mandir management had decided that.
Bade Mandir management had already decided that auntie, uncle, Paul auntie, Paul uncle, you came at 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
2 o'clock.
Yeah. For 3 o'clock, reach there by 2:30.
For 3 o'clock, reach by 2:30. एंड आपको भोग प्रसाद लगाना है. And Sangaji, you will not believe that was the day when my son-in-law came back from the hospital hale and hearty, in the pink of health, without any trouble except that one night. Guruji had decided it so many days before that this will happen, this day he'll come back, and on the same day we'll go for Shukrana to Guruji, Bade Mandir, and we'll do Bhog Prasad there because of this Shukrana. Can you think it was decided or not? I always take it that Guruji has pre-decided it. कि ऐसे ऐसे events होंगे life में, and that is the day when they'll be happiest to come to Bade Mandir to say thank you to me. So this is a satsang which I'll always share with everybody. है ना? अभी तो हम बहुत बूढ़े हो गए, जब गुरुजी के पास नए नए गए थे बहुत यंग थे. You know, when uncle was fine and we used to go to Mandir, like anniversary, birthdays, all the days are there.
Our socializing was there only.
Socializing was never existed in our life after that. Birthday है तो मंदिर, anniversary है तो बड़े मंदिर, गुरुजी के पास. तो गुरुजी हमेशा एक बात बोलते थे, कभी भी आप बोलते थे ना, गुरुजी आज हमारी एनिवर्सरी है, लल्ले पुत्र, गुरुजी आज ये है, लल्ले पुत्र, गुरुजी आज वो है, लल्ले पुत्र. तो मैं थोड़ा नाराज हो जाती थी, गुरुजी क्या बोलते रहते हैं हर समय लल्ले पुत्र, लल्ले पुत्र. एक दिन मेनका आंटी बैठी हुई थी साथ में, तो वही बात हुई, गुरुजी आज हमारी एनिवर्सरी है, तो लल्ले पुत्र. मेनका आंटी बोलती है, गुरुजी अब हर वक्त उनको लल्ला पुत्र बोलते रहते हो, ये उनकी पुत्र लेने की उम्र है, अब उनकी बेटियों को पुत्र देना. अब वो बड़े हो गए हैं, अब उनको बेटा लेने की उम्र नहीं है. तो ना मैं तो शर्म के मारे नीचे हूँ, मैं तो गुरुजी को कुछ बोल नहीं सकती थी. I always used to be very scared of गुरुजी, you know, हिम्मत नहीं थी हम लोगों की आंख में आंख डाल के देख लें या उनकी तरफ देख लें, पैरों की तरफ सिर्फ देखते थे, आंखें हर समय चरणों पे रहती थी. तो जब मेनका आंटी ने बोला ना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, किसी ने मेरे बिहाफ पे ये बात बोल दी. और संगत जी देखो वही हुआ, माय एल्डर डॉटर गॉट मैरिड एंड शी वाज प्रेग्नेंट. बहुत खुशी, ग्रैंड पेरेंट बनने की खुशी क्या है, ये जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं वो अच्छी तरह समझ सकते हैं. एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग ऑन वेरी वेल. आई मीन being a doctor's family, सब ठीक ठाक चल रहा था. डॉक्टर ने बोला कि सिजेरियन होगा, तो हमने कहा कोई बात नहीं, फिर क्या हुआ, लड़कियां तो खुद ही सिजेरियन आजकल कराती हैं, तकलीफ ना लेनी पड़े, तो doesn't matter. But my daughter had, you know, I can't say what word I should use. It is more than a blind trust, you know. Faith. अब प्यारी संगत जी हुआ क्या कि ये तो नहीं पता था बेटा होने, जबकि गुरुजी ने तो शायद इसको डिसाइड ही कर दिया था इतने साल पहले लल्ला पुत्र बोल बोल के, और अब इनकी बेटियों को गुरुजी बेटा देना, लेकिन वो बात तो हम भूल गए. अब उसको एक ऐसी ट्रबल शुरू हो गई 8 मंथ में कि डॉक्टर सेड इट्स रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर प्रॉब्लम. पूरी स्किन के ऊपर जैसे कोड़ हो जाता है ना, इतने बड़े बड़े बॉयल्स हो गए पूरी बॉडी पे, ब्लैक, और इतना गंदा कि उसने मुझे जरा सा अपना ड्रेस ऊपर करके दिखाया और मेरा दिल नीचे. हे गुरुजी, ये कह के मैं तो बैठ गई कि ये क्या है, कभी देखा नहीं सुना नहीं ऐसी प्रॉब्लम को, और मेरे बच्चे को गुरुजी ये क्या हो गया 8th मंथ में. डॉक्टर बार बार कह रही है ये जब डिलीवरी होगी ना उसके बाद ये प्रॉब्लम ठीक होगी. So you better, as it is a cesarean case, we can choose the date and you get it done. But she had such a faith. In spite of that worst skin allergy, she never agreed for that. She said, no, let the 9th month start. And she suffered. हर समय गुरु जी का शब्द कीर्तन सुनती थी, all the 24 hours.
Yes. Even in the OT.
Even. And she, 9th month हुआ, she went to the doctor for the surgery, कि भी चलो cesarean कर लेते हैं. And she was carrying Guruji's Shabad were, on full blast. Doctor said, what is this? कहती, this is my lifeline. ये यहीं रहेंगे, आप इसको बंद मत करना, चाहे मैं होश में हूँ या नहीं.
और स्वरूप भी छोटा था.
और एक छोटा स्वरूप हमने साथ में दिया तकिए के नीचे रखने के लिए. And we also said कि डॉक्टर साहब इसको हटाना नहीं है. आप मानेंगे सर्जरी अभी 4 बजे कर देंगे ऑपरेशन. चलो ठीक है, 4 बज गए, अगले दिन के 4 बज गए, परसों के सुबह के 4 बज गए, नहीं हुए सिजेरियन. ये कैसा तमाशा. डॉक्टर तो कह रही थी 2 घंटे की बात है, 2 दिन हो गए हॉस्पिटल में और लड़की के सिजेरियन नहीं कर रहे ये लोग. इट्स अ लीडिंग हॉस्पिटल इन दिल्ली. Doctor is also leading doctor of Delhi. क्या हुआ? No, she's trying for normal baby. She doesn't want to go in for cesarean. We were surprised to know. अब क्या हो रहा है? तकलीफ हो रही है. अब क्या हो रहा है? बस जी होने वाला है. अब क्या हो रहा है? अब जी हम सिजेरियन के लिए लेके जा रहे हैं, बहुत इंतजार कर लिया. अब क्या हो रहा है? अब सिजेरियन नहीं हो रहा, अब वेट कर रहे हैं. Imagine 2 days. My daughter was there and Guruji's Shabad were there in पूरे कॉरिडोर में. और हम उसके पास जाने की कोशिश करते थे, खुशबू गुरुजी की इतनी आती थी, as if Guruji is there only. And nobody could dare to say नहीं नहीं तुम कर दो जी सिजेरियन. हम कहते थे गुरुजी की मेहर, गुरुजी ऐसा चाह रहे होंगे, गुरुजी की कृपा है, पता नहीं गुरुजी कैसे चाहते हैं. And she was also waiting patiently, suffering and waiting. And ultimately, a normal delivery happened. And doctor was also surprised. I was trying for this, but it was not happening. I think it is all your Guru's kripa that a cesarean case turned into a normal delivery at the very last minute. And I don't have to say, मेरा नाती हुआ, baby boy. और खुशी का कोई ठिकाना नहीं. इसलिए मैं कहती हूँ कि गुरुजी ना हमें पहले ही कंफर्ट जोन हमारे लिए तैयार कर देते हैं. गुरुजी को पता होता है ये प्रॉब्लम आएगी, घबराएंगे, थोड़ा सा इनको पहले कंफर्ट जोन में तैयार कर दूं ताकि नाम स्मरण करते रहें, गुरुजी के नाम का साथ ना छोड़ें. होता क्या संगत जी, जब हम बहुत तकलीफ में होते हैं ना, तो सबसे पहले भगवान का नाम छूटता है. सच्ची बात है. एज फार एज आई एम कंसर्न, मेरी भूख तो खत्म नहीं होती. लोग कहते हैं भूख खत्म हो जाती, मैं तो ज्यादा हॉक करती हूँ डिप्रेशन में आके, लेकिन सबसे पहले मेरा नाम छूट जाता है, पाठ पूजा मेरी बंद हो जाती है. कहते हैं ना, जैसे शीस उतारे भूई धरे तो भी सस्ता जान. अपने सिर को काट के, ऐसा प्रेम की गली इतनी तंग होती है ईश्वर प्रेम की कि अगर इंसान अपने सिर को काट कर जमीन पे रख दे ना, तो भी ये सस्ता सौदा है. और गुरुजी तो क्या ही हमसे ये सब करवाएंगे. वो तो सिर्फ एक बार, बस मेरा नाम लेते रहो, मेरा नाम लेते रहो, शुक्राना कर दे रहो, शुक्राना कर दे रहो. कुछ इसके अलावा कुछ और कभी ना उन्होंने हमसे चाहा ना हमने किया. कैसी भी एडवर्स कंडीशन हो जाएगी, गुरुजी एक ही बात बोलते हैं, शुक्राना. ना लेंदे रहो, शुक्राना करते रहो, ना लेंदे रहो, शुक्राना करते रहो. तो संजय जी, हाथ जोड़ के विनती, आप सभी गुरुजी से बहुत अच्छे से जुड़े हुए हैं, सभी गुरुजी से प्यार करते हैं, गुरुजी सबके ऊपर कृपा बनाए हुए हैं. इतने औखे टाइम में गुरुजी कहते थे बड़ा माड़ा वक्त आने वाला है, बड़ा माड़ा वक्त आने वाला है। कभी सोच नहीं सकते थे इतना सा वायरस जो है दुनिया की ये तबाही ला देगा। लेकिन अगर हम अपने गुरु परिवार को देखें तो हम सब कितने कंटेंटेड हैं। ज्यादा मिल रहा है, कम मिल रहा है, नहीं मिल रहा है, काम चल रहे हैं, नहीं चल रहे, कोई बीमार है, कोई नहीं बीमार है। It is all contentment inside. And never ever think that हम इतने फन्ने हैं कि हमारे अंदर ये भाव है। He has given his grace to us. He is with us. So please, बहुत टाइम हो गया, मैंने तो सोचा एक सत्संग ही सुनाऊंगी। मैं सत्संग ज्यादा बोलती नहीं हूँ, या ऑफ लेट मुझे अंकल ने कहना शुरू कर दिया, आंटी बोलेंगी। मैंने कभी सत्संग नहीं बोलती थी मैं।
Actually, I don't want it to become monotonous, so it's always a better, I would say, thing if it is shared by both of us. Thank you, Shukrana.
Thank you.
ये platform देने का, to share with a single objective that Guruji में faith रखो. Always be, contented with what he's giving to us. Never get carried away, never get frustrated. No, he's not doing it, let me move on.
Yes.
That kind of feeling should never ever come in.
Yes.
Because he is there, he knows what is best for us,
Yes.
all of us, and he loves his sangat a lot.
एक छोटी सी स्टोरी आपने जरूर सुनी होगी कि एक बच्चा एक प्लेन में एयर ट्रैवल हो रहा है। जस्ट आई टेक 2 minutes। एयर ट्रैवल हो रहा है, एवरीबॉडी इज सिटिंग इन द प्लेन और बड़ी बम्पी फ्लाइट है, बहुत ज्यादा टर्बुलेंस है, तो सब लोग घबरा रहे हैं, चिल्ला रहे हैं, एक दूसरे के ऊपर गिर रहे हैं और मतलब परेशानी वाला माहौल। इसमें एक बच्चा जो है वो अपनी डॉल के साथ चुपचाप एक कोने में बैठा हुआ है। तो उसके साथ जो अंकल बैठे हुए वो बोल रहे, यार इस बच्ची को कोई परेशानी ही नहीं हो रही है, ये तो कुछ बोल ही नहीं रही थी, छोटी लड़की, हार्डली 5-6 year old गर्ल, और ये बच्ची को तो कोई परेशानी ही नहीं हो रही। तो ही जस्ट आस्क्ड कि बेटे आपको डर नहीं लग रहा? हम सब देखो कितना चीख चिल्ला रहे हैं आपसे, हम कितने बड़े हैं, हमको लग रहा है अभी भी प्लेन गिरा, तभी भी गिरा, तो आपको डर नहीं लग रहा? शी सेड नो, कि ऐसा कैसे, आप इतने छोटे हो, आपको डर नहीं लग रहा? शी सेड बिकॉज the pilot of the plane is my father. I know she will, he will help us to land safely. This is our Guruji.
Absolutely. He's the captain of the ship, he's the pilot of the plane, he's everything.
हम पीछे बैक सीट पे बैठ के मजे ले रहे हैं, rest everything he is doing. So संजय जी, प्लीज जुड़े रहना बहुत बड़ी बात है। थोड़ी कभी दुख तकलीफ आता है तो उसको भी गुरुजी की कृपा समझनी चाहिए। ये सोचना चाहिए हमारे कर्म कट रहे हैं, हमारे बंधन मुक्त हो रहे हैं, and he himself is there to help us. जैसे ही मुश्किल समय आएगा फट से हमें अपनी गोद में ले लेंगे, एहसास नहीं होने देंगे मुश्किल का। थोड़ा बहुत तो चलता है लाइफ में, ठीक है? थैंक यू वेरी मच।
जय गुरु जी।
जय गुरु जी।
थैंक यू।